Welcome back YouTube, Bixby here, Bixby Tech, the star of today's video. Yeah, the usual suspect, the Galaxy S22 Ultra Exynos version. But I have one question to ask myself. Did I really get lazy or somehow I missed 30 stock application updates from Samsung? 30 updates, guys. It's been really a wild run so far. I didn't do a video like this in 2 weeks and boom, there they are, right? So we have 30 Samsung applications. Starting in the gallery, quick share of my files, the group sharing, the reminder, the clock, nearby device scanning, find my mobile, secure Wi-Fi, Samsung Cloud checkout, Samsung members, Bixby update, Samsung Pass, dictation, link to Windows service, Samsung editing assets, video call effects, Samsung Galaxy Friends, and again USB-C private share expert row, and also some updates for some of the good lock modules like theme park, lockstar, and home app. Alright, what we're gonna do in this video, guys, we are going to review the changelog for each and every update. So it's probably gonna be a long video, and also all the applications that just have some bug fixes and etc. or doesn't really come with a proper changelog, yeah, I will not show them in order to save time. Alright, so let's buckle up and start. And before we really get going, guys, subscribe to the channel. Make sure to ring that bell icon so that you get notified every time I do upload a new video. And yeah, I hate saying this, I just feel so lame, but yeah, I need to do so. So, Samsung Gallery, guys, that's the first update. What is new? Okay, good start, changelog, shared albums. The policy has changed to allow shared albums to be used with family or friends. Shared albums without members will expire and be deleted after 60 days. However, they can continue to be used if members are added before the expiration, which is actually quite nice. I never tested this, and by the way, I probably also won't do that, but it's good that it's there. Version is 13.1043 from the 26th of April. It is 30 megabytes, so okay, that's gonna get updated. Then we have quick share, and again a changelog there, and this is really nice. What is new? Fix known issues about share with link features, and we have a bug here, right? Fix other known issues, second bug. So yeah, nothing really to test here. Let's continue. Samsung My Files, okay, one of the better stock file browsers. Okay, there is no proper changelog here, so let's just check the version. It is from the 12th of May, 13.10193, 17 megabytes. So I'm going to also update that one. Let's continue then. Group sharing. What's new? Change of the policy to allow use of the shared albums. Display the profile picture of host when receiving invitations. I think this is related also to the update we got from the gallery, so that people are really able to use this service. 13.00417 from the 2nd of May, 21 megabytes. So I'm gonna hit the update button. Then we have the reminder. Reminder also changelog. Possible to sort reminder list manually. Possible to put reminders to another category in the reminder list. That's probably something I can already show. So let's just check the version. 12.3058,000 from the 2nd of May, 22 megabytes. I'm gonna hit that update button. I already pre-added some reminders like buying flowers or buying the latest Spider-Man Miles Morales for the PlayStation 5, and then we're gonna see if we are able to manually sort them. And then of course clock updates. Most of those updates for the clock applications in the past have been really exciting. So what is new here? Improve so that the upcoming alarm time is updated normally at the top of the alarm tab screen. Improve so that when using screensaver it does not change the colors. Under feature improvement and bug fixes. 12.1.17.0, 25 megabytes. Probably not a lot to show there, but let's hit that update button. Then we have the nearby device scanning. What is new? NDS is a primary for displaying pop-up event if SmartThings is installed, and of course bug fixes. 11.1.054 from the 13th of May, 7 megabytes. Alright, let's continue because we got a big list to cover. Find My Mobile, a function, guys, that I do use on all of my phones. If you have a Samsung phone, turn it on, alright? This can be really a lifesaver. No proper update there. 7.2.2412 from the 23rd of May, almost 9 megabytes. Alright, and then we get going. Secure Wi-Fi. Been one of the better stock tools. I did some videos on that one. It really provides some level of protection when you're using public Wi-Fis. So what is new? Change the user interface, remove the secure Wi-Fi advertising notifications. Well, that's good every time, they remove ads. That's good. So less ads better. Change display notification every time DNS is protected, and etc. So I'm going to also update that one. No version check whatsoever. Alright, Samsung Cloud. This, by the way, really weird because I'm getting some mixed messages from Samsung at some point that they're discontinuing the Samsung Cloud and then we need to use Microsoft OneDrive. So I'm not really sure what they want to offer there, but you can just see it's a recent version from the beginning of May, 51059, 16 megabytes. So I'm going to hit that update button. Then we have the Samsung checkout. Okay, no proper changelog here, 50521. From the 10th of May, 18 megabytes. Okay, I'm not using actually Samsung Pay, etc. Then we have Samsung members. What is new? Renew the interface, enjoy new community features like accept solution and the badge, and manage your device using the more powerful diagnostic feature. Honestly, I don't really know a way to take this to the next level because the Samsung members already had a very sophisticated diagnostic tool. But okay, we can still check that one. 42005 is the version from the 20th of May. 41 megabytes. Samsung, you are not kidding, right? This is why we need to buy phones with bigger storage, right? Higher storage configuration. Then guys, we have some updates from Bixby. So Bixby routine, some things are changed here. Major changes. Read notifications allowed, reverse action error when editing active routine corrected. In case you're playing with this, I also did some videos. There are really plenty of options for you to configure your phone based on your usage, like going outside of your home, switch off Wi-Fi and stuff like this, right? Manage the battery when you charge your phone at night. So Bixby can be really powerful, specifically when you combine it with Bixby routines. So the version here is 350225 from the 13th of May, 22 megabytes. Then there is a whole new update for the main Bixby application. The new thing here, pretty big changelog here. The new thing here is that whenever there is an incoming call or an alarm ringing, you can accept the call or stopping the alarm without waking up Bixby, which means that in case of an incoming call, you just can say accept call, not saying hi Bixby and then accept call. Yeah. All right. Version 3.2.12.16. From the 2nd of May, 55 megabytes. Man, this is really taking a lot of space. Samsung Pass also related to the Samsung Cloud Services. Right, version 3.0.082 from the beginning of May, 32 megabytes. No proper changelog here. Okay, and then we have the Bixby dictation, which I think is self-explanatory. So this one, I'm just going to hit the update, not lose any time here. Then we have the link to Windows service in case you're using your phone connected to your PC, so you're able to check up on your images, send messages using your PC or laptop through your phone. So no changelog here. 23041 from the 20th of April. That's an old one, by the way, only 2 megabytes, so probably just some bug fixes there. Then we have something interesting called the Samsung editing assets. Okay, it doesn't really tell what it's about, but judging from the icon, most probably something related to video editing. No proper changelog, version 22805 from the end of April, 10 megabytes. Hitting that update button and going to the next one, which is video call effects. I don't think any changelog included. Video call effects, if you are doing some calls with your phone, video calls, then you can just change the effects on your background, blur, and etc. I'm not using this. Version 22000, 16th of May, 8 megabytes, so that's not really so big. Then we have the Samsung Galaxy Friends. All right, no changelog here, 21706, 19th of May, 14 megabytes. Okay, the list now is not so big. Bixby Wake Up. All right, this I'm just going to update. It's related to the option to just get calls and don't say hi Bixby every time, so that people really hang up before you have the chance to pick up the phone. Then we have the SmartThings framework, which is a nice framework allowing you to manage all of your smart devices and etc. What is new here, when the bedtime set in the clock app arrives, the lights will dim and blinds will close. Honestly, I keep seeing this changelog for a few versions right now. But okay, if you have a Galaxy Watch 4 and you fell asleep, then the TV and the light can turn off. So yeah, there are really some new things if you are into the Samsung ecosystem. Right, then we have the Samsung USB-C, which is actually good because this updates the codecs that are used. You know, when you hook up some of the headphones there, latest codec, right, for the earphones, version 1230, right, only 1.69 megabytes, so that's a smaller one. Then we have the private share, which is actually interesting, and there is a proper changelog. And by the way, I mean, all the changelog for Samsung stock applications just tell me that different teams are writing them and it's not so unified, but okay. I think Samsung can really try to optimize this. It will provide a better experience, more professional experience toward us, the end users. Back on the topic, private share, what is new? Link with contacts up when choose recipients. Provide shortcut when sharing, alright, yeah. Edit the file name and recipients ain't available to send 20 files at once, but can exceed the maximum file capacity of 100 megabytes, version 112021, from the 19th of May, 10 megabytes. Oh, we are almost, guys, close to the end. Expert Brawl, guys. One of the best applications allowing you to use the camera in the best possible way, manipulating the white balance, the shutter speed, the ISO, and also a proper changelog, update on the supported model. So if you have now the Galaxy Z Fold 3, well, yeah, you can use Expert RAW, faster processing time in the low light environment, and image quality improvements. So this version now is 10026 from the 25th of May, 50 megabytes. Again, Samsung are not kidding. Then we have the Samsung text-to-speech. That's not exciting. I will even not, read the changelog in the version. And then we have updates for Theme Park, Lockstar, Home Up, mainly some bug fixes, guys. All right. So what is new? Fix theme colors. Okay, fix the bug of icon pack function. Theme Park is probably one of the best models out there to be used to customize your whole experience. I mean icons. I mean creating your own theme, wallpapers, colors, everything included. Then we have Lockstar. Fix system UI exception that occurs, fix the color correction, and then again, guys, it's just some bug fixes. And then we have Home Up. Home Up, I think that's clear. That's probably the best module from Goodluck, allowing you to play with the recent menu styles, to do 1000 things, play with the navigation, with the gestures, and I think it's just fixing of some errors and etc. So I'm gonna update also Home Up. Then we have the game plugins, which, yeah, this update is not so exciting. And with that said, now my Galaxy S22 Ultra is fully updated. So I think we are now done with this section. What we can do right now is just check some of the applications where there are some functionality added or something is changed so that you can really tell. And I'm going to start with Samsung reminders. Alright, reminders. Remember, we have been told that we are now able to change manually the order or sort the items. Like I told you, I am getting the Miles Morales for the PlayStation 5, and I need to get some flowers for my wife. That goes with, without saying, with getting the Miles Morales, right? So in the previous version, from sort, you been able to use date modified, time date created, etc. setting, but you're not able to just move them around. Now, if we have followed everything correctly, I should be able to move this thing around. And maybe I'm missing something, but I'm still not able to move them around. I can just change the category and etc. So I can probably just add a new category like games, but that's not really the same. So I would say this doesn't really work for me. So I am not able to really sort them manually. I think that's it, guys. But okay, let's check the next one. The next one is going to be Samsung members. Now, directly going to the part with the diagnostics. Else, guys, I think it's clear. Every time, you respond to something and somebody finds a solution, you probably will get some badges. This pretty much works exactly the same way the Samsung forums do work. But what is interesting here, when you click on support, there's going to be something called view test. Check if your phone's functions such as your touchscreen sensors and charging are working properly. And when I click the view sensors, I have the feeling that this really did not change so much compared to the last time we did this. Battery status, NFC, SIM card, power restart status, proximity recognition, speakers, they probably added something, right? You can also test cable charging and all of this. So really, if you are buying a new phone and you want to be completely sure that it does work, guys, you can just use this. There should be also some camera tests there, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, also display tests. So this is pretty much the best tool that will give you a very nice understanding if the phone that you want to buy, provided it's secondhand, operates correctly. Else the forum updates, I think, are just clear. Every time you go inside, you're able to respond, like, and then you also are able to receive community badges and etc. So if that's your thing, go there, check it out. A lot of useful information is provided, usually in these forums. And before I close the video, I want to share, guys, I'm still using the AVDB software with the security patch level from the 1st of May. That's the Exynos 2100 version. I know that the Snapdragon users out there got 2 or 3 updates already. So yeah, I'm not sure what is happening. Samsung are probably trying to level out some of the things. Some people are saying that after the second update, the camera lock was pretty much okay. I don't really have, problematics with the camera lock, and I think it's just the way it is. And yep, this is going to be the end of this rather long video, but a lot of things has been covered, guys. So if you like content like this, yeah, don't forget about this thing here. Please enjoy the rest of the day, stay safe, you and your families, and don't forget to come back for a new video. VST over and bye.